Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll be delving into the pathway for electronics engineers, ANZSCO 233411, to live and work in Australia. Whether you're planning to migrate, looking for career growth, or just exploring options, understanding this occupation's requirements is essential. In Australia, electronics engineers are highly regarded for their expertise. Their role includes designing electronic circuits and systems, developing embedded software, supervising installations and ensuring compliance, testing and optimizing systems, creating signal processing algorithms. These duties highlight the diverse skill set required, spanning technical design, practical application, and analytical problem solving. A critical part of migrating as an electronics engineer is passing the skills assessment conducted by Engineers Australia. There are two main pathways for this. Pathway A, accredited qualification. If you studied in Australia, your degree must be accredited by Engineers Australia. Washington Accord pathway. If you hold a degree from a country that is a full signatory to the Washington Accord, this is an easy path. Sydney Accord and Dublin Accord pathways apply if your qualifications are from countries that have signed these respective accords. There are certain other qualifications that might be accepted, so be sure to check your eligibility. Pathway B, Competency Demonstration Report, CDR. If your qualification is not accredited, you'll need to opt for the Competency Demonstration Report pathway. This involves preparing a detailed CDR that showcases your engineering competencies and experience. You will need to write 3 career episodes that detail specific projects or tasks you have worked on. You will also need to provide a summary statement linking your experiences to the Engineers Australia competency standards and include a record of your continuing professional development, CPD. Regardless of your chosen pathway, you must submit a comprehensive CV resume that outlines your educational background and professional experience, degree certificates and academic transcripts to validate your qualifications, employer reference letters detailing your job responsibilities and achievements. For Pathway B, the CDR report, as I just mentioned. These documents must be accurate and, if necessary, translated into English with certified copies provided. Electronics engineers are eligible for several Australian visa options, each with distinct benefits and requirements. Subclass 189, Skilled Independent Visa, permanent residency without the need for state or employer sponsorship. Must score a minimum of 65 points, although higher scores improve your chances. English proficiency at a competent level, IELTS 6 or equivalent, and applicants must be under 45 years of age. Subclass 190 Skilled Nominated Visa is also a permanent visa requiring nomination by a state or territory. You must meet the same English and age criteria as Subclass 189. It adds valuable points to your application through state nomination. Subclass 491 Skilled Work Regional Visa is a provisional visa valid for up to 5 years, with a pathway to permanent residency through the Subclass 191 Visa.IT requires you to live and work in regional areas. Similar age and English proficiency requirements apply. Subclass 186 Employer Nomination Scheme. A permanent visa sponsored by an Australian employer requires at least 3 years of relevant work experience. Applicant need English proficiency of at least IELTS 6. Subclass 494 Skilled Employer Sponsored Regional Visa, a provisional visa that leads to permanent residency. Employer sponsorship and at least 3 years of work experience are required. Navigating the migration process can be overwhelming, but at VisaTasker, we simplify it. Our MARA registered agents provide expert step-by-step guidance tailored to your needs, from skills assessments and expression of interest, EOI submissions, to comprehensive visa applications. With VisaTasker, you gain peace of mind knowing that your journey to working and living in Australia is in capable hands.